Hello CMS students. In the last video, I will discuss illustration number 11 on the contract costing. Now we will continue in the illustration number 12 and further. So let's continue, no further delay, we will continue. So the illustration number 12, a contract has undertaken work at a price of rupees 5 lakhs and begin the execution of work from 1st January 2019. The following are the particulars of the contract up to 31st December 2019. A contract has undertaken the work or price for rupees 5 lakhs and begin the execution of work on January 2019. The following are the particulars of the work of the contract up to 31st December 2019. Given the particulars amount rupees. So it is, I will show you in the institute material also for the sake of yourself. If you don't see from illustration number 11, I will upload in the course. I will give in the course. So now here it is. Illustration number 12. A contract has under construction at work at price 5 lakhs and begin on the execution of work on 1st January 2016. The following are the particulars of the contracts up to December 2016. Particulars. So machinery 30,000, materials 1,61,760. So 1,70,680 wages, 1,48,750. 6,000 direct expenses, 6,334 work and uncertified work 9,000 and wages outstanding is 5,380. Value of plant is 31st 12/2016 22,000. Overheads 8,252. Materials returns 1,098. Work certified is 3,90,000. 3 cash received 3,60,000 and materials on 31st 12/2016 is 3,766. This is the particulars given. It was decided that the profit made. So next another paragraph is given here. It was decided that the profit made on the contract in the year should be arrived at by deducting the cost of work certified from the total value of architect certified, that is 1/3. So directly given 1/3 of profit should be recognized for the contingent purpose, for the provisions regarded as the provisions against contingent, and then such provisions should be increased by taking the credit of profit and loss account on only such portion of the 2/3 as the cash received to the work certified. 2/3 of the cash is the cash received to be work certified. 2/3 is the cash received. We need to find out. So I repeat again this paragraph. It was decided that the profit made on the contract in the year should be arrived at by deducting the cost of work certified from the total value of architects certified, that 1/3 of. So 1/3 of here is the summary is given. So here is the summary is given. 1/3 of profit. So 1/3 of profit is arrived, should be regarded as a contingent provision. We need to make a 1/3 of provision should be contingent, and that such provision should be increased by taking to the credit of profit and loss account, and only such portion of 2/3. So only such portion of 2/3. So 2/3 portion will be is the profit. 2/3 of profit is the profit as the cash received to the work certified. So cash received is received as the work certified. So hopefully clear. It was decided. So already decided profit of the contract in the year should be arrived after deducting the cost of work certified. So total cost of work certified we will discuss later. From the total value of architect certified. So architecture certified is how much? Total value of architect certified. So So here it is not mentioned. Here we need to calculate work. So work already cash reserve 3,60,000, 3,90,000 work certified. So that is the architecture certificate here. So we need to calculate. First we need to remaining 2/3 of profit should be profit and loss account. So we need to calculate. First of all we need to calculate so contract account. So contract account we need to calculate. So already machinery is given. So machinery. So contract solution, but contract account debit and credit particulars amount. So machinery. So machinery 30,000. So question we see in the reference. So mission. So we see here so machinery 30,000. So 30,000 posted here to materials. So materials wages. So wages here some outstanding wages is gone. So added 1 lakh for wages, outstanding of wages. So added including wages account. So institute already mentioned here wages plus including outstanding. So total added. So total we have, I will show you all that also. So materials wages how much? 1,48,750. Outstanding wages is 5,380. So total for 1,54,130. So 1,54,130. So direct expenses overheads is debit side is given. So overheads account, credit side a contract account. So overheads is given. So now we will the credit side plant and value of land is 22,000. So value of 22,000. So next by materials returns. So materials how much returns? 1,090. Materials returns account. So materials returns account is 1,098. So that is 1,098. So materials on hand is 31st/12/2016. 3,766. So by work in progress 3,90,000. So work in progress. That means we need to calculate work in progress account. Work certificate is given 3,90,000. 3,90,000. Work uncertified is 90,000. I will correction work certified. I will do everything. Work uncertified 90,000. Work uncertified is 9,000. I will add it total. So anyway 9,000. I hopefully clear. 9,000 is clear. So 3,99,000. So you see 3,99,000. This is the out figures as per problem. Now we will calculate profit and loss account and reserve and then finish this problem. So machinery 30,000. Materials sale 1,70,698. So wages including outstanding. So here we see and work uncertified work. I will see. Okay, work uncertified. Sorry, 3,90,000 already there. The grid sale. For your understand, I will sake of your understanding, I will show you here work uncertified 90,000. Okay, this is the particular just as it is posted. Now come to the main top paragraph. It was decided that the profit made on the contract in the year should be arrived by deducting cost of work certified from the total value of architect certified. That the 1/3 of profit so arrived should be regarded as a provisions against contingencies, and that such provision should be increased by taking into the credit of profit and loss account only such portion of 2/3 of profit as cash reserved to the work certified. Cash reserve should be worked as a certified. So we need to calculate that is the work cash received to be work certified. That is the architecture certified. We need to calculate. So that is the work certified. Okay. We see here total 3,90,000 work certificate, that is 3,99,000 total work certificate. Clear? So we need, before we calculated profit and loss and reserve, total expenses before profit and reserve. Total expenses, that means we added credit side and debit side, just like previous problem. So we thought after calculating this 22,000, so 22,000, 1098, 3,766, 766, last 3,99,000, 3,99,000. So after we calculated, we how much? For 42,564. So next we add the credit side. So debit side, sorry, the first credit side. Next we calculate debit side. So first of all, machinery account 30,000 and 1,70,698, 1,54,130, 6,330, 44, 8,252, that is overheads, and we need to calculate profit and loss account, and then profit and loss account. So profit and loss account, we calculate total how much. After calculating we calculate yourself. So 30,000 plus 1,70,698 plus 1,54,130 plus 634 plus 8,252 plus, that is total we have 3,69,414. So 3,94,060. So now we need to find out degree of completion after end of the year. So end of the year we need to calculate, subtract degree of completion equals to, so subtract from credit side, that is degree of completion, degree of completion. So degree of completion, so degree of completion we need to calculate. How to calculate degree of completion? First we carry total credit side, that is 4,25,864 minus, after debit side added total expenses added, that means 3,69,414, that is equal, after deducting and subtracting here we got 56,450. This is the degree of completion. This is the degree of completion. So degree of completion. So degree of completion. So degree of completion is 56,450. So now we will calculate notional profit. Notional profit calculated is equals to cash received divided by work certificate. So cash received by divided by work certificate. So how much is the cash received here in the examination problem? In the cash received how much here? 3,60,000. 3,60,000 is the cash received. So 3,60,000 is the cash received. So cash received is 3,60,000. Notional profit calculated here equals to divided by work certified. So work certified is given, total work certified is 3,90,000. So 3,90,000. So after deducting something, we posted here 3,60,000 divided by 3,90,000. So see here 3,90,000. So 3,90,000. 3,90,000. So 3,90,000. So after that, dividing 0.923, 0.092327692,307. This is the percentage of the notional profit we need to calculate. Now we will reserve and profit is calculated. This is the notional profit. So notional profit we calculate equals to, so this is the percentage, 0. Subtracted into, so we got 5, degree of completion is into 56,450. That means 51,000 52,010. So multiplied into 6450. So 52,107.6. 107.6. So 7.6, that means we get it into 1.7 into 52,107 into. Now reserve calculate. Now profit and reserve. Profit and reserve is calculated. That is equal to national degree of completion. 56,450 into 0.9238. So 0.923, I will subtract national profit into, that means 52,107. So after we directly given two-third of paragraph, two-third of that one-third of profit is so arrived should be regarded as a provision against contingencies, and that such provision should be increased by taking the great profit and loss only such portion of 2/3 as a cash reserve. So 2/3 of cash reserve. So 252,107 into 2/3, that is equal to 34,738. That is the PL and the account. So 2/3 will be posted into the last line. By taking the credit of profit and loss account, only such portion of 2/3 profit as a cash reserve to the workshop as a cash reserve. As it is a cash reserve, 2/3 should be cash reserve. So 3,340,000. This should be profit and loss account. So now we will subtract 56,450 national profit is minus into 1/3. Subtracted. So we got profit and loss account. Now we will subtract the reserve account. So we see here. So 21712. 21,712. That is the profit reserve, which should be transferred to the reserve account. So it will be transferred to the reserve account. So it will be transferred to the reserve account. 21,712. So calculated here. 56,450 into 0.92 into 0308. So this is illustration number 12. I will color illustration number 12. Next.